Imagine getting millions of views, not without a camera, without expensive gear, without even showing your face. What if I told you that you can create cinematic, viral history videos using only AI tools from your laptop or phone? The crazy part? History content is exploding right now. People are addicted to untold stories, dark secrets, lost empires, forgotten wars, and powerful leaders. And today, I'm going to show you step by step how to generate viral history ideas with AI, turn them into powerful scripts, create cinematic visuals using AI, edit everything together like a pro, and post it in a way that increases your chances of going viral. If you've been waiting for the perfect content idea, this is it. Let's build your first viral history video. History content works because it triggers curiosity, it feels educational and entertaining, it sparks debate, it attracts loyal audiences. Stay tuned until the end. Videos about major events like World War II, the fall of the Roman Empire, or the French Revolution constantly go viral because they mix drama with real facts. People love powerful storytelling about real events. And with AI, you can now produce that content without filming anything. First, generate a viral history idea using ChatGPT. I will use the following prompt. Give me 10 viral YouTube Shorts history documentary ideas that are shocking, mysterious, or controversial. Add a powerful hook line for each, written in English, and should be under 60 seconds. Each idea should be cinematic, factual, and curiosity-driven, focusing on major historic event, wars, civilization, and mysterious moment in history, with tone of like History of Taj Mahal, the Great Wall of China, World War I and II, and Napoleon Bonaparte or Adolf Hitler. Then I will ask ChatGPT to write a 60-second cinematic dramatic YouTube short script about insert the topic that interests you. Start with a shocking hook. Make it emotional and intense. Use clear and simple language, smooth pacing, and historically true and factual. Present the script as one flowing paragraph with flow. Now we will ask ChatGPT to create a 3D realistic scene. Enter the following prompt. Convert the above script into 6 visual scenes, and for each scene create a realistic 3D text to video prompt optimized for cinematic with accurate facts, camera motion, angles and light. Apply landscape, close-ups, growth animation only when the scene requires environmental or structural build, and maintain 3D cinematic visuals with natural movements. Now we will create visuals using Grok AI. Open Grok AI, sign in with Google account. Go to Imagine tab and change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste them to Grok and download them. Make sure you generate all the prompt in downloading them. For voiceover, use AI voice tools like 11 Labs. Paste your script, choose a deep dramatic voice, and download the audio. Then edit your video using CapCut, import all the clips to Timeline, drop your voiceover, remove all the silent parts, edit the clips according to the script. Add subtitle and fonts. Add background music and lower the volume of the music. Export the video. And here are the results. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this video.
He conquered Europe, then lost everything in one winter. Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself Emperor of France and rewrote the rules of war. His armies moved faster than any before them, smashing Austria, humiliating Prussia, dominating nearly all of Europe. He was a master of strategy, dividing enemies, striking with precision, turning chaos into victory. But in 1812, driven by ambition and pride, Napoleon made a fatal decision.